Alright, so here we are at Shelly Bay. As you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we're here to get sea grapes. Oh. BTS, let's go! I'll put the GoPro in here later when we're gonna go and get the sea grapes. Alright, Mom, we're gonna go now. Again. Hey Dad, this is flashing red, right? This is flashing red.
Oh yeah.
It's flashing red. Okay. Yeah, it's on. You sure you're up there, okay? Whoa, it's not too cold. It's a little cold. I just swam like 1 foot away from barracuda. Yeah. So I don't know if I was able to get on the GoPro, but out of nowhere I just saw a barracuda right in front of me, and like I was slowly like floating towards it, and it didn't move. It was just staring at me. So I was like about like a foot or two just like away from it. Oh, okay. Dad, that's a really big snapper. Yeah. It's a big snapper. sea grapes. Look at that. There's a lot of them here, but we're not just gonna take all of it. We're just gonna take a little bit and let that continue growing. Just take what you're gonna eat for the day. Yeah, it's good. Hi, it's good, Dad. Look at these. They're so green and like they're very plump. I'm gonna go and swim around, get some more footage of the fish, see what other. Go around on that side of the thing. Yeah, come on. A lot of them. Oh, I got for hopping. Oh, gosh, that's a hopping. I wonder if you guys saw that, but I was so close to touching a hogfish. I mean, like I got so close to it, so I was thinking like, what if I could like touch it? I was so close and then it just flapped its tail and I could feel in the water the wave it made. That was awesome. Oh, that's a lot. Look at the bird. It's cool. Guys, we're gonna go back to shipping. After those sea grapes. It's a nice day today. Alright, Dad? Those look like rain clouds. Hopefully it won't drop. If it does, our car's not too far. Oh yeah!
Oh, look at that! Oh my god! Oh.
That's a lot, man. Whoa! That's a lot. Wow. They're like over there now. Wow. So many. There's like small ones, little ones, big ones. That was so cool. I'm so happy we have this GoPro to like see what it looks like from the inside of all those fish. Wow. Really nice day today. The tamban or the herring are all over there. A lot of people enjoying the sunny day today. All right, we're back on shore. Here's the sea grapes in the bucket. Look how plump they are. So we have them in seawater for right now, and we're gonna rinse them a bit more. See this one? Hey, cool, right? Wow. All right, we're gonna start prepping it in a bit. Put some here. The sunlight. Wow. Bye. So I googled some information. Alright, so where is it? So the scientific name of this of these sea grapes is Caulerpa lentilifera. I don't think I'm saying it correctly, but yeah. It's a species of Biropsidal green algae. I checked the government website and I looked under the protected species, specifically the protected marine plants. The protected marine plants are turtle grass, manatee grass, and these two other types of seagrass. And so these little guys are alright. So yeah. Look at these, they're so plump and green. They're gonna pop. Okay, let's see if I can take like a little one and just pop. Let's see if I can get the popping of it. Where's the sun? Oh, it's not gonna focus. So if you just pop one. Yeah. So Dad's just prepping it now.
It's nice. It's nice and clean as well.
Yeah.
You're in the nice clear water. Nice, huh?
So those are the ones we're gonna eat, yeah? So Dad brought along some onions and tomatoes and ginger.
Ginger.
Straight from the ocean.
Yeah, stunning.
Oh yeah, there's one.
Okay, that's there.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Then some vinegar.
Then some vinegar. Alright.
Hey, that's it.
That's it for the sea grape salad.
Got a nice sea grape salad. There's no need to put some salt because the sea grape is already a bit of salt in there with it. It's fresh from the ocean.
Yeah.
Nice
Oh,
salad.
it smells great.
See?
Huh? Oh, Mom.
Taste now.
Alright, try that.
Alright, try this one. Nice. Sea grape salad.
Good?
Nice,
Okay.
delicious.
Oh, it's no. Alright, let's try this.
Very nice.
Oh, it's not. Oh, it's good. And we can hear the crunch. Good, right?
Alright. Crunchy too.
I love the vinegar.
Yeah.
So tomato. Alright. Ah, nice. Fresh from the ocean. Let's go.
Yes.
So we're having our picnic. We got some beef stir fries, some ham, some rice, spring rolls. Mom's gonna try the sea grapes.
Good.
Good?
I love it. Good man.
Sarap, no? Wow. Little picnic here
Saan yung plato ko?
at the beach. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.